So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be trying to install this intake onto the Toyota Crown. Bought it cheap, so hopefully it sounds at least better or at least louder. Alright, so here it is, the 1JZ. So yeah, this should come here and it should replace the stock pipe. So you kind of use half the stock pipe, but it should sit like that. It's not the best looking intake, but hey, I bought this pretty cheap, secondhand, $60. And if anything, I think I might just take off this carbon air filter and then put on that K&N pod filter I bought ages ago. Because if you guys remember, I bought one a while back, but couldn't figure out how to fit it. So hopefully at least this has the conversion. This is the pipe I actually need. It's even got the MAP sensor. Also, here's how the intake looks, bro. Look how small it is. Like, what the hell? That looks like a motorcycle intake. Like, huh? We're also going to be working on our Nook's Impreza today. As you guys can see, it's on jack stands. And right here, we got some suspension. So, you guys already know this car is a bit high. So, what he did was he went out, he bought some lowered springs. I'm pretty sure this is the stock strut with the lowered springs. Wow, say the apprentice teaching the master. I mean, the master teaching the apprentice. Oi.
And hold that. If it doesn't work, you just have to do it on the other side.
They have just finished installing the WRX suspension. Check it out, what you guys reckon? Wow, that's actually 100 times way better. So from the front, you can definitely tell it's lower and it's looking 100 times way better, especially with the front lip. From the side, it might look the same, but if you knew how it looked before, you'll definitely know it's lowered. Because you guys remember the wheel gap before, it fucking was hella high, like Mount Everest. Sheesh! But if you get side skirt now, for
I need side skirt.
Yeah?
I'm actually buying that soon. I'm buying rear pods in the back soon. I'm gonna fix all the crash parts there.
Shit! Oh, what happened? What happened, G? Oh, I sick job today, though. Wow, this guy did it all. Apprentice, mate. He's stepping up, boy. Oof. Alright guys, so new day today. Today we're going to try and install this $60 intake I got. So I already done a video on this, so we'll probably quickly time lapse it and I'll chuck on a GoPro and then hopefully it makes a difference. But $60, can't go wrong. We're going to try the carbon intake first, but I'll probably change it to the K&N one because this one, bro, is too small. I don't even think it's going to get enough air, so let's go. Alright, first drive with the carbine intake. Fingers crossed it at least sounds better. If not, we're finna go to straight away, come back home and put on the K&N one. Let's go. No lights, no check engine lights, everything's still good. Do one here. Oh, shit! What the hell? What? Bro, I hope you guys can hear that. Bro, you can full hear the intake noise as well with the suction. Oh shit! Shit, that's loud. Oh, this is 100 times way better than the stock one. Let's see how it sounds with full rev. Bro, inside the cabin is absolutely insane as well. You can even hear the induction. Oh man. Oh, you guys got to drive this car, man. Alright, we're now back at home. The carbon one sounded 100 times way better. I just changed it over to the open K&N filter. Let's hope this one sounds 100 times way better as well. It should sound better because it's open. Obviously, it kind of looks neater in my opinion without the full carbon, but I'm going to be so disappointed if the other one sounds better because I'm going to change it over. But you saw how small the filter was, so I'm not too sure if that's safe or not. But fingers crossed this one sounds better and we can keep this one. If not, we'll go back to the one anyways. So let's go. Alright, so now it's with the open K&N filter. Let's see how this one sounds. I think this one's more high pitched. Sheesh! This one's hella loud as well. To be honest, I don't even know which one's louder. But this one, you can 100 times way better. You can definitely hear the suction noise more. Sheesh! Alright, I think I want to keep this one. So it sounds similar, but this one you can definitely hear the suction more. So I think we're actually going to keep this one. Here it is, K&N. You can even still flutter it. 40,000 kilometers. I'm in 4K. Yeah, flutter it for this guy giving away. Sheesh. So guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT. So I decided to go with the K&N pod filter as it sounds exactly the same as the carbon fiber one, but it had a better induction noise, so better suction noise, so it had a bonus point. So I thought, why not have it, and plus we bought it. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully the camera picked up the sound, because I must admit it's actually 100 times way better, and now it sounds like a proper fat dose. Let's go.